Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, open your Google application. Then in the bottom right corner we got more option. Tap it and go into settings. Here we got voice option and here will be voice match option. Then need to click here on the switcher to turn on Hey Google option. Then click next. Agree to voice match. Yes, I agree. And now we must say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. And last one, Hey Google. And now our Hey Google option is ready to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.